1979. Looking for a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, and I think it's right. Oh, there it is. What's up, Troy? What's up, man? Let me park my car and check out your 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. That's gorgeous, man. Holy cow. You've been keeping a secret from me, man. It's good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. This is Gene over here.
Hi, Gene.
Everyone, this is Troy.
Hey, what's up?
And if you don't like this episode, he's gonna come beat you up. Oh man, it's gonna be good. All right, everyone, I want you to officially meet Troy. Troy, thanks again for showing us your ride, man. This is fantastic. Trans Am Troy is out, he's now known. We all know the backstory, right? Smokey the Bandit, 1977. Because of that movie, sales of the Trans Am, they just go through the roof. 1977, they sold 69,000 Trans Ams. 1978, they sell about 93,000. And then 1979, they sell 117,000 Trans Ams. But here's the deal. You got the Y84 Special Edition. As it says right here, one of 1,107 built, making this extra special. I know you've been looking for a Trans Am for a long time. Were you looking for the Y84 edition, or you just wanted to get a Trans Am?
Just a Trans Am.
Yeah.
My childhood dream car, Smokey the Bandit, of course. Yeah. I couldn't have the mustache, so I had to get the Trans Am.
Do you have the hat? Do you have like the Burt Reynolds hat and stuff?
No. Yeah, I've been in love with this car my whole life, and I had to have it.
Yeah.
I saw it come across Mecum Auctions in Illinois, actually.
Okay.
And I was in Indiana auction, and I saw it, and it was completely done. I said, you know what? I don't have the mechanical inclination to be able to do it myself, so yeah, there it is. I bought it, and the rest is history.
The condition, it's stunning. The Starlight black, it pops when you walk up on it. So the Y84 edition, we have so many Trans Am experts that watch the show. Okay. And I love getting the interaction and the feedback. From what I know with the Y84, what makes it special is you get bigger wheels, the snowflake wheels, you get bigger wheels, the T-tops are bigger, wider, and a better suspension inside there. So the Trans Am experts that are watching, correct me or add on to it, what makes the Y84 extra special. How was it driving it?
She can be rough when it's cold.
Yeah.
But I mean, other than that, like I said, it's a manual. It's a 4-speed manual. Puts out about 220 horsepower. So, definitely not setting the world on.
It's not that.
It's not that. Yeah. But it's a lot of fun to drive with the T-tops off. Going down the highway, you get a lot of looks, a lot of pictures, a lot of people filming it because they've never seen one before.
Yeah.
They're very rare. I actually parked next to a Lamborghini at the gas station. And everyone ran over and was taking pictures of the videos,
Yes.
And the guy was so mad, he's like, how come no one's looking at my car? Because you see him every day in Vegas.
You do.
You don't see that very often.
And that's the thing, we're here in Las Vegas with this show. And thank you for watching the show, and you can subscribe to the show. Gene will put the little subscribe thing down there. And if you don't subscribe, Troy is gonna come and put the flex on you. Yep. Trans Am Troy is gonna come get you. But the thing is though, you pull up to any casino and something and valet, they're gonna park this out front.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. 1979, we got the rubber bumper down front. And then you come around the side here, the air extractor. My God, this car's in incredible condition, man. Do they do a repaint on it, do you know?
Probably, yeah.
Fantastic. But the air extractor here, so as you're cruising along, you're not taking off. But that's immaculate.
It's pretty clean.
Very clean. You were not there, you bought this online?
Online.
How was that?
It was cool, you know? Yeah, I've always watched those YouTube guys getting their deliveries from the big trucks. Uh-huh. And then it came to the house, this and that one came to the house, and I was like, I'm one of those guys.
Yeah.
I get the big truck delivery.
Did you buy these two both at Mecum?
Same day.
Did you really?
Yeah. Same day, yeah.
I love that you do that. Because, Gene, you've got your die-cast car collection on eBay. He's really excited when he calls me and tells me, guess what I got? Yeah. I got a Trans Am, 1/18 scale. Really cool. But you're buying the real deal, man.
Yeah.
I love it.
I got one of those too, though.
Do you have a 1/18 of this?
I mean, let's see what we can find here. Let's see. You mean this guy here?
Oh, there you go.
Yes.
It came with a buckle too.
Oh, nice.
Oh, dude. That's awesome.
The Smokey the Bandit buckle, yeah.
That's so cool. So that's the 77
Yeah.
front end, yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy to think what a movie can do.
It's great. It was a 76 with a 77 front end, right?
Exactly, yeah, exactly. Yeah. But it's crazy to think what a movie does to a car.
Absolutely.
You know, where would this car, I think it's still a badass car. Yeah. It is so cool, so much personality. But where would it be if it wasn't in that movie?
Exactly.
You know?
Yeah. Well, yeah, a lot of those cars. I mean, the Gone in 60 Seconds, you know, the Eleanors. And even the John Wick cars.
Yeah.
You look at those, you want them just because they had them, you know.
This is like every kid wanted to have this car. Yeah. 79, you get the tail light going straight across. Of course, your gas here, right? Gas cap.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. When I first went to go fill it up, I'm like, okay, where do I do? Yo, it just opened it with a little.
Oh, it goes left. It goes left. Okay.
Yeah, I had no idea where the gas tank was.
Really, just walking around. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, I needed you when I bought this car because I knew nothing about it whatsoever.
The glass too on the back here, it is so cool. I'm a big fan
cool?
of just glass,
Yeah.
but the wraparound, how it comes down.
Yeah.
Have you always been like a car guy, a muscle car guy? Is this your first?
This is my first muscle car, but
Yeah.
I've always wanted to be a muscle car guy.
Yeah.
Just, you know, I was a school teacher for so many years, I didn't have the means to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Well, you got the means now, and you're doing well for yourself. Can we see inside?
Yeah, it's open.
Gene, can you pop open? You want to open that for you?
Got it. And when you close them, you gotta kind of slam it. It's open, yeah. You just gotta give it a
Gene,
little
don't
tug.
break Troy's Trans Am.
Well, in the last episode, you couldn't open the door.
That's true. And I couldn't get the gas cap open. Listen, we're human, okay? We're not car experts. We just, play them on YouTube. Whoa. The camel interior. So I like that camel interior instead of going with the black interior.
Right.
That camel interior pops.
I like it too.
Seats, these bucket seats, this was, I think it was a $150 option. You got the velour seats, the bucket seats. Is this still the original radio?
No, that's a Rustomod radio.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's got the Bluetooth and all that in there.
So this is the 400, right?
400, yep.
I mean, this is the last, one of the last all-American muscle cars from that era.
Yeah, yeah.
And I like this too. It's a simple thing. I always point this out. We have the 4-speed, but also down here on the bottom left, the Pontiac logo right there.
Yeah. And if you open the glove box, it's got the trunk release in there too. That little yellow button there.
Yes, right here.
Yep.
Ooh, that popped open with authority.
Yeah. And so they got the bags for the T-tops still.
Oh, you have them?
Yeah. So these bags, T-tops go in the bags.
Yeah.
They fold up in there.
Okay.
Trunk's pretty clean, huh?
It's very clean. Is the spare under? Does it have a spare?
Sure.
We haven't gotten that far because usually have the inflatable.
Yeah.
That's cool. Are these the original T-top bags?
I don't know. Good question.
They're cool though.
They look in great shape.
Yeah, they look too good.
As
Too
does
good
the
a shape.
entire car.
Too good a shape to be the original.
I want to. Can we see under the hood?
Yeah. Do you know how to pop it?
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah, pop it. It's a little dirty under the hood.
Edit.
Just kidding.
Where's the hood release?
Oh, it's underneath the front.
It's where? Edit, edit, edit.
You want to do it?
I'll let Trans Am Troy, do the honors and show us. Hold on, walk us through. Everyone might not know. It's down here.
Yeah.
It's underneath.
Yeah.
You don't need any latch inside.
No.
Just pops open right there.
Yep. Right there.
Wow.
Yeah. And you got the Trans Am blue right there, the blue block.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
When you're looking at buying this on auction online,
Yeah.
how much research are you doing? Are you looking in advance? Are you looking at pictures?
Yeah, every auction that comes by, I'm going online, I'm looking for, trying to, spec it out, trying to comp it.
Uh-huh.
That way I know what I want to pay. And I paid a little bit more than I wanted to, but I didn't see too many in this condition,
Yeah.
especially manual.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
It's in great condition.
Yeah, it has to be a manual. I won't buy a manual. I won't buy a car unless it's a manual.
You want to do automatic?
No.
You want it like mine then?
Yeah, come on, JC.
I mean, that's my daily driver is my Raptor. And this is actually my 15-year-old's first car.
Okay.
Spoiled brat.
Seriously, everyone comment what was your first car? 1984 Pontiac Fiero for me. Not a Pontiac Trans Am, I had a Pontiac Fiero.
Yeah.
What was your first car?
Mitsubishi Prius, which is the same thing as a Hyundai Excel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
I
what was
think
yours,
it-
Gene?
Oh, 76 Toyota Corolla hatchback.
Hatchback, all right. Everyone watching, comment, what was your first car? Can you beat Troy's son?
This guy's M4.
Yeah, fantastic. So if I'm your son, I'm like, Dad, I want to drive the Trans Am. I want to point out the Y84. Again, one of 1,107 built. So I mean, this makes this kind of that rare air.
Yeah.
117,000 made in 79, but this is one of 1,107. You do have down here on the cow tag, I think you can see it. It's hard to see, but right there on my finger there, Y84 right there. It's like, you know, it's the real deal.
You know your stuff.
And then the VIN, we got two, right here, two for Pontiac, and 87 for Trans Am. Z is your engine code, 9 for 1979, and then is that the N for Norwood? Should be, that's an N. Can't tell if it's an N, looks like an N.
You know your stuff.
I love this car, man.
You are a master of your craft.
I love this car.
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate
Well,
that.
whenever you want to take it out, you're more than welcome.
We're gonna go for a ride now. Can you take us for a ride?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
That's right.
68,000?
Yeah.
I think that's original miles then, huh?
Yeah.
There's a 1979 Y84 out there that has 11,000 miles
Damn.
on it.
It's worth a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I notice you have the working clock too,
Yeah.
far left.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, you ready?
Let's do it, man.
Ready to rip?
Here he is, Troy Reynolds.
Troy Reynolds.
Move over, Bert. What was it like when you drove it for the first time?
Surreal?
Yeah.
Yeah, very surreal. I was like, this is really happening.
You right?
Yeah.
We always bring up this stat when we talk about Pontiac Trans Am and Smokey the Bandit. 1977. It was the second largest movie that year. Do you know what the biggest movie was back in 1977?
Oh, you know, I think I know. Fill me in. What is it?
Gene?
Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Star Wars. That's
Star
right. That's
Wars.
right. That's right.
Which is another thing we probably all love from as kids, you know? You feel it, man. It's got power.
A little bit. A little bit. Definitely more bark than bite.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But this is the car that you like you said, you take it anywhere, you're getting looks.
Yeah. Yeah, you get looks everywhere we go.
How's the back seat, Gene?
Well, you know, the current situation is it's all right.
See if we can scratch
My
it.
seat wouldn't move up for Gene, so he's kind of jammed back there. They do talk about the back seat of these Trans Ams. You need a shoehorn to get in them.
Yeah, it's definitely very surreal to drive, honestly.
Yeah.
Still, it's a lot of fun.
We've been lucky enough to feature a few Trans Ams, and I really do geek out every time I walk up on one. We had a 1979 Solar Gold one,
Oh, wow.
and it was just gorgeous, but same thing, walking up on
Yeah.
that. Like, I just get so excited to come upon all these classic cars, but there's something about this
Right. Yeah.
that's extra special.
I would definitely like to get another one and just kind of put like a LS6 or something like that in
Yeah.
and just go nuts with it. This one I just kind of want to keep it as original as it, as I can.
Yeah, as it should be,
as
yeah.
original looking as
Yeah.
I can.
And then this is the 10-year anniversary of the Trans Am. Came out in 1969
Right.
for the Trans Am. And there's actually a 10-year anniversary edition. It's silver, but it's still pretty cool. This is the 10-year anniversary.
Yeah. Yeah, I love the gold. It had everything that I wanted to have.
Yeah.
I didn't want the black out. I wanted the gold.
Yeah, the gold dash,
Right.
the Camel interior. These are your vents down here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The vent work.
Vents work. AC?
There's your AC. So it's a little tough to drive in the
I
summertime.
was going to say,
here in Vegas.
how is it in the summer in Las Vegas?
Yeah,
Black car, 115 degrees outside.
I take the T-tops off and I sweat it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I head to the gym and you don't notice the difference.
Uh-huh. That must be a sight. Hey, you're a really big guy. Then you pull up to the gym in a Trans Am. I mean,
Just so stereotypical.
it's cool, man.
Yeah.
That's what every kid wants. Big, muscular, and driving a Trans Am.
It's a lot of, yeah, it is cool.
You're living the American dream.
Honestly, yeah, when you see that front spot in the gym,
Uh-huh.
you're like, oh yeah.
Yeah. And you get out.
So cheeseball, but it's like, it's cool,
Heck yeah. This is a neat car, man. Screaming chicken on the hood there.
Right.
So cool. Are you gonna keep the stickers on, letting everyone know what you have?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so,
Yeah.
No reason to take them off.
You take it to shows, you take it to Cars and Coffee and stuff like
Cars
that.
and Go, yeah. Gets a lot of attention there. Yeah, it's not a car that I've ever seen around town in the how long have I been here? 27 years in Vegas? I've never seen one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see a lot of Mustangs and Camaros and all that, but never seen a Smokey The Bandit Trans Am.
There we go. It's a smooth ride.
It is. Yeah. Once she's warmed up, it's a lot smoother.
Yeah. First shifter, which is cool. This is great, man. Troy, thanks for doing this for us.
Absolutely.
Have it for a year, you don't tell me.
Ooh. Got some torque.
Yeah. Why don't we, Perfect. Perfect. Need help getting out of the back there, Gene?
Yeah, probably. Jaws of life.
Right.
Shoehorn.
It pops open, the door?
Yep. Yeah, you got
Like, be careful getting out of these. All right. All right, as we get ready to say goodbye and thank you, I do want to
Yeah,
show
my
just
pleasure.
one more thing as we're saying thank you. We do have to end because I just so much respect for the screaming chicken on the hood here.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
That's everything right there.
Right, it is, and the talent it takes and skill to perfectly lay that decal. It's just.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I'm trying to find some little flaws, and I'm like, they did a really good
They
job.
did, yeah. They nailed it.
Yeah,
They nailed it.
They did.
Well, Trans Am Troy, dude, thank you so much, buddy. I
My
really
pleasure.
appreciate
Yeah,
it.
thanks for coming out.
This is a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching the show. Subscribe, leave comments, stuff I got right, stuff I got wrong. Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching, man.
Yeah. My channel coming in January.
Yo, yeah?
Whips and Yokes.
Whips and Yokes?
Yeah, muscles, cars, and muscle cars.
Muscle cars? Really?
Yeah.
We got competition.
So we'll have to come get you for a workout.
Heck yeah. I love it. Awesome. If you want your car, shop, or collection featured on the show, then shoot us an email at carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. That's carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. And thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes of Cars, Shops, and Collections.
Here, get a shot of me. This is how it's sitting in here. Yeah.
You're stuck, Gene.